Hi, I'm Nate and this is Rick. We're going to demonstrate an exercise for you called Lying Hip Adduction. Adduction, not to be confused with abduction. So adduction is to work the muscles of the inner thigh, and it involves bringing the leg from away from your body in toward the midline of your body. In order to do that against gravity, you need to be in the lying position on your side. So we're going to have Rick move into that position now. It's important to have a mat or another soft but firm surface that you can lie on. So we begin by lying on one side with legs extended far away from your body and your feet stacked. Your lower arm can be bent and placed under your head for support. Your upper arm rests on your upper hip. At this point, you want to make sure that your hips and shoulders are stacked vertically one over the other and that they remain that way throughout the movement. Now slowly bring your lower leg forward until it's lying in front of your upper leg. Both legs should remain pretty straight, no more than a slight bend in your knees. Now you want to take a deep breath, and then as you exhale, gently raise your lower leg as high as you comfortably can. Then slowly lower it down to the starting position. That's one repetition. The number of repetitions you do will depend on your fitness level. Do as many as you can do. It should feel like a good challenge by the time you're done your set. When you've completed your full number of repetitions, you want to turn over and do it on the other side.